Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to add product variations in WooCommerce, whether that's for different colors, size, price or more. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to set up variable products so you customers can choose exactly what they want and you can manage everything easily. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now you just need to create a new product. So here I will come over here to the product. So here you can see this is the product option, but log into your WordPress dashboard and then go to the products, and then you just need to click over here to physical products. Once you click over here, then you will able to add the products in here. So give your product a title. Let's say I will go to the AliExpress and I will duplicate that this here. So I'll go over here Alibaba, and here you can search it, or I will go over here to the AliExpress and then I will copy a product from that. Like I can say I will go with that product, that will be an t-shirt. So I'll search t-shirt here and then hit enter. Once it did, then from that I will copy any images. I will download that image. Like here you just need to click this one, and from that you will able to download that one. Like this way, you just need to click on source and then you will find out that image in here. So this is really easy. I always use this method for my users. So I'll click on save image and image will be saved here, and then I'll copy this whole title from that place and then I'll paste it in here product, and then the copy the description. Does it have any description? You just need to find it out. If it has a description, here you can see I will copy whole things from that. Like click on view more, and from that place I think I will copy the whole thing from here. I'll copy this one and then I will paste it in here, and you can see it already been pasted and the image also come over here. Then click next, and here you just need to provide the regular price. What actually the price, you just need to find it out. This is the price. I'll copy the price, I'll paste it here, and from that I'll click next, and here you can add product description. So I will copy this product descriptions, like specifications. So I will copy this thing and then I will come over here and paste it here, and it's already been done. And now here you just need to add product image. So I'll click over here upload image, and then this image will be uploaded in here. And once you did, then here you just need to click on set product image, then click next, and here you just need to add the product tag. I'll give that product tag will be t-shirt, add, and then click next. And here you can add category. Like here I will go over here and I'll see what actually the category it is. So here I think there's no category. I will go with specification, so special features. So I would say it will be an t-shirt, casual t-shirt, casual. Then click add new category and uncheck this one and then click next, and here you just need to be published. Just hit this publish button. So this is the easiest one. This will be your base product before we add variation, like change product type to variable product. Now here if you click on to the view, you will able to see this product in your website. So you just need to be scroll down to the product data section. So here if I click through this one view, and you will eventually see that the product is here, and you can see it look really great. So from that I will go over here and I will click this edit, and then I will scroll down to product data options. So here this is the product data. So by default it's set to simple product, so you just need to click the drop down here and then choose it to variable product, this one, and then click it. And these options allow you to add multiple variations like color, size and price difference. So here if you see their variations, you will see they have color and size variations available. So now here we just need to be understand it. Like you just need to add the attribute. Next you just need to go to the attributes tab. So here you can see we have this attribute tab. So you just need to click this add new, this one, and you will able to add an attribute in here. Let's say we want color as an attribute. So here you just need to write color, like name it color, 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 and then in the value box type your color separated by a pipe symbol. Like here we have color, like it's called white, and separate with that, then black, separate with that similar way. Then we have this gray, let's copy this one, paste it here, then separate with that, and with that sand, separate with that pipeline, and that one light blue, copy that one, paste it here, then separate with that pipeline, and then go with here and copy this pink one, paste it here, then separate with that one, and go to the red and paste it here, red. And once it's done, then click set attribute, and your attribute will be set here. Then repeat the same process for the size, for example, small, medium, large, and click save attribute. And now you just need to create a variations. You just need to go to the variations under this attribute options. You just need to click over here, and you just need to click the drop down and choose create variation from all attributes, and click go. Here you just need to click over here, generate variations, and the variation will be generated. Here you can see it already been generated. So it is an easy one. Now WooCommerce will automatically generate every possible combination. For example, red, small, red, medium, blue, red, and so on. This is where we will customize each variation. You can edit each variations. Like here, if you click this edit one, and if you go over here, you can add the color. Here you can see we have that options. So you can set a price, example, you can small rate $15, large blue is $18. You can upload an image specific to that variations. Like here you can see we have that field regular price, then weight, dimension, shipping price, and everything you will able to edit in here. Just click the little arrow and expand the variations and edit it. Now you can add different price for each variation. I already mentioned, if you want different prices for different size or colors, simply enter the amount in the regular price field for that variations. For example, small could be 15, medium could be 17, and large $20. This is great for products or large size cost more. So now you just need to go over here, and then you just need to publish your changes here. Just click update. Once you did, then here you just need to come over here and refresh it. And once you refresh it, then eventually you will able to see your variation. The product is currently out of stock and available. So here I will come back to that one, and also from that I will remove this one. And here inventory, I will say that inventory is SKU 100, and truck quantity limit quantity is 100, and then I will go over here and update this one, and then I'll come back here and let's see the product is currently out of stock and unavailable. So I just need to fix that problem. So let's go over here to low stock threshold limited purchase. So what actually the problem, you just need to find out stock management. Do not allow backward allow threshold to limit purchase for the item. Then let's do it safe. And here I'm going to refresh this one. Why actually is happening, you just need to find it the solution. If I go to the all product, and in stock it is 100 available, so maybe the problem with the variations. So over here to the edit, and from that I will go to the variations, and here I just need to make sure that how many product is available here. So it's totally an amazing thing. So here I hope you understand how easy the process was. You just need to do that. Let's say I will add black, and here you just need to expand that, and from that you just need to add the regular price, then you can see we have that thing. So once you did, then the publish will be okay, and you will see the variations in that place easily. So the product is currently unavailable, out of stock and unavailable. So now here you can see, if I click over here preview changes, and you will get to see what is 100 is in stock, and you can add to the cart. The cart already been added. So in this way you can easily make your variation. So you can test the variations, like you just need to go to the stock product page. You will see drop down menus for color, size, select different options, and watch the price image instantly. This is exactly how your customer will interact with your product. So, and that's how you can add product variation in WooCommerce for color, size, price, and more. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more WooCommerce tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. Also in the next video.